Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to remotely control your Tesla using the Tesla mobile app. Specifically, we'll cover remote start, power off, and climate controls. These features are essential for convenience, security, and maximizing your Tesla experience. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use these key functions. The Tesla app provides an intuitive interface for all remote controls. The remote start feature in the Tesla app allows you to wake up your car remotely. First, open the Tesla app on your iOS or Android device. Navigate to the Controls section. Tap the Start button. The car will begin its startup process, including activating the climate control system. As of the v5.0 update in early 2025, you can even set conditional start commands, like start only if battery is above 20%. This is perfect for preheating or cooling the cabin before you even get in. The remote power off feature allows you to shut down your Tesla remotely, adding an extra layer of security. To use it, ensure the vehicle is completely stopped. Open the Tesla app, go to Controls, and select Power Off. A confirmation prompt will appear, a crucial update since late 2024 to prevent accidental shutdowns. Confirming will completely power down the car. This is especially useful in emergencies or if you suspect unauthorized use. Fleet services like Hertz also use this to recover stolen vehicles. The Tesla app's climate controls offer granular control over your car's interior temperature. From the Controls section, adjust the temperature, fan speed, and even activate seat heaters. You can adjust the temperature settings directly in the app with real-time feedback on your vehicle's response. You can also set scheduled climate control. Preheat the car every morning before your commute or cool it down before leaving work. User case studies show this can save up to 10 minutes daily in winter. The Tesla interface provides intuitive controls for all climate settings. Tesla's app, integrated with Matter in 2024, allows seamless control alongside Google Home or Apple devices. This integration creates a unified smart home experience where your Tesla's climate adapts to your routines. The Tesla app employs robust security measures to prevent unauthorized access and protect your vehicle. Begin by logging in with your Tesla account credentials. The app requires secure authentication to access your vehicle's controls. Following the 2024 data breach, two-factor authentication is now mandatory for all Tesla accounts. Set it up using an authenticator app and QR code scanning. For added security, you can enable biometric verification using your fingerprint or face recognition. All commands from the app are sent securely through Tesla's API, ensuring only authorized users can control the vehicle. These secure controls allow you to manage your Tesla remotely, protected by multiple layers of authentication. Remember, never share your login details with anyone to keep your Tesla and data secure. Connectivity issues are the most common problem Tesla owners face with the app. Ensure your car has a stable cellular connection, as all remote features depend on this. Poor signal strength can prevent commands from reaching your vehicle. If you experience lag or delays in the app, close and reopen the application. This simple step refreshes the connection and often fixes temporary glitches affecting response times. Sometimes a simple phone restart fixes the issue. Force close the Tesla app first, then restart your phone completely to clear any cached data that might be causing problems. For more persistent problems that don't resolve with basic troubleshooting, check Tesla's support website or contact their customer service team. They can help diagnose deeper connectivity or software issues. Remember that remote start won't function if the vehicle doors are unlocked as a security measure. Remote power off only works when the car is completely stopped. Always prioritize vehicle and personal safety when using remote features. The Tesla app is continuously evolving. Expect more AI-driven features, such as predictive climate adjustments based on your routines, potentially in App v6.0 in mid-2026. The trend towards integrating EVs into smart home ecosystems is growing, with Tesla leading the way through compatibility with devices like Google Home and Apple. Tesla's 2025 sustainability report highlights how remote charging management could reduce carbon footprints by 15 to 20% per vehicle annually by 2030. Mastering the Tesla app's remote start, Power Off, and Climate Controls enhances your ownership experience. They provide convenience, security, and contribute to a sustainable future. Stay updated with the latest app versions to access new features and security enhancements. Thanks for watching, and enjoy controlling your Tesla from anywhere.